Violence in the form of attack, killing and arson at Kuki settlement continues even after the Union Home Minister had earnestly appealed for peace in the state. Many villages were attacked by Meitei radical groups in Kangpokpi and Churachandpur district on May 29 evening before the arrival of the Union Home Minister, who was on a 3-day visit to the state. Even when the Union Home Minister had a meeting at Kangpokpi, many more Kuki villages in the foothills of the district were attacked and later burned down. Kuki villages under Saikul subdivision in Kangpokpi district, such as El Chayang village, 70 houses, S. Failengkot village, 72 houses, Chingdai Kulan village, 47 houses, Si Jaulan village, 35 houses, Thingzang village, 30 houses, Langhoi village, 15 houses, and Molzang village, 3 houses were completely reduced to ashes on May 31. One of the villagers of Si Jaulan said that thousands of Meirapaibis blocked the Gorkha regiment who were stationed at UNACO school in Chanung, and then the alleged Meitei radical groups, State Police Commando and IRB personnel attacked the villages in Chingdai area from all corners. Narrating his ordeals, he continued that during the attack, one person having a hearing problem was shot dead and later burned. On June 1 morning, 2 Kuki villages in Kangpokpi and Kamzong districts were attacked and 2 persons were killed while another 2 were injured. The 2 villages were burnt. One of the escaped villagers of N. Molan village under Yairipok police station in Island subdivision of Kangpokpi district said that a large number of people, around 400 or 500, came to his village at around 4:30 a.m. and attacked the village. During the attack, 2 persons, namely Thangkolun Haukip, age 30, son of Tongmang Haukip, and Jangmin Thang Haukip, age 25, son of Ngolkulun Haukip, sustained bullet injuries, he added. He also said that the attackers did not even hesitate to kill an aged person as they shot dead Daikim Simte, age 75, wife of late Lenching Thang Simte, and another man, Jangmin Thang Kipgan, age 45, husband of Nengko Kim Kipgan. The sad part, according to him, was the attackers threw the dead bodies of the 2 victims into the burning fire. Then they burned down the village of 50 houses. Similarly, T. Natjang village, which comprised 30 houses under Kasom Kulan police station in Kamzong district, was also burned down today, allegedly by the Meitei radical groups. The most disturbing act of the Meitei radical groups in their attack was they burned whoever they killed during their attack, said one of the internally displaced persons, while adding that they are not human beings.